how to recover Snapchat streak without paying. So before getting started, you'll have to remember three things. That is, you cannot do it regularly. Secondly, if you have lost multiple streaks with multiple contact, then this method will only work with one contact. And also, there is a specific time frame of 24 hours within which you can recover your lost streak. After 24 hours, you won't be able to do it. So let's get into the process. Firstly, open the Snapchat app and tap on the Bitmoji icon available in the top left corner of your screen to navigate to your settings. So once you're inside your profile, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on the I need help option available there. And inside I need help, tap on the I lost my snap streaks option available there. After you tap on it, you can see the fill the form option available in the blue highlights. Tap on it. Then you'll be navigated to fill the form. And after that, scroll down. The form will be available in the bottom. And here you'll have to enter all details asked here. Username, email address, your friend's username, and the streaks you have lost, and they will recover it very easily. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.